How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset your electric scooter controller. Now, there's a lot of ways to do this, and of course, there's also a lot of scooter models. So generally, the first thing that you want to do is to do the power cycling method. So turn off the e-bike first, remove the battery, and from there, we just want to completely drain the remaining power by press and holding the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. This will empty the capacitors in the controller that enables to simply reset it. From there, we could reconnect the battery and we should be good to go. Now, the other thing that we could go ahead and do for some other brands out there or models, we could connect the scooter to the application, and inside the application, head over to settings and click the factory reset. This has to have the application functionality in order for it to work. If your device or scooter can't connect to the application, you can simply not go ahead and do this. And the other thing that you could do for something like the LCD models is to navigate through the setting of the LCD on your scooter, head over to setting, and then there's going to be the factory reset option. So you could just go ahead and try the following methods, and simply from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.